Welcome back for part 5 of becoming a Pontiac Intelligence Master. In part 4, we built inventory lists to target specific sites and apps. Now, we're going to look at audiences. To ensure that your ad delivers to a proper user, someone who meets a certain criteria, you're going to be able to pick audiences that meet a certain demographic, profile, and many other factors. There are 3 types of audiences in Pontiac. The custom audiences, which you can build using your own data. Third-party audiences, which are published off-the-shelf segments from third-party data providers, and onboarded data. These include data segments built using one of our partners such as LiveRamp, Bombora, Semcasting, and OnSpot, or any data providers that you work with who are able to push segments to us. We're going to look at custom audiences first. You can build audiences using a multitude of different data points, including device IDs, IP addresses, zip code targeting, lat-long targeting with an area around a specific point, user IDs, and then creative domains and specific domains we'll touch on in just a second. The creative audience lets you build a pool of users based on who received a certain ad. I like to call this touch remarketing. In this case, anyone who sees my first creative based on their device ID, IP, and user ID will be added to a pool, and we'll call this remarketing touch. We'll save that audience, and you can see it is now available right here. The other types of audiences are domains and specific domains. In the inventory section, we can target at the top level domain, but on websites, sometimes that's not enough. Large websites like CNN, MSN, Yahoo have subdomains that fall underneath, which allow us to explore more specific categories. Domains lets you target up to 4 subdomains. So in this case, cnn.com/travel/New York. This will filter to all the pages that are travel in New York. Specific domains lets you target a very unique article. You can paste a URL into the system and deliver ads specifically to that page. For this, we've grabbed bbc.com, remove the HTTPS and the www, and then you're all set. Third-party audiences are built by these data companies in order to give us access to user information. You can search through third-party audiences using the categories, the types, or specific providers, or enter your keyword into the search box here. Once you've found an audience you would like to utilize, for this we'll take finance small business. We're going to send it to an advertiser of our choosing. In this case, the demo one we built earlier. And press associate. This lets us utilize this audience on any campaigns we build in that advertiser. We're going to grab a couple more just so we can utilize them. For onboarded data, contact your account manager to find out if your data provider can be used in Pontiac.